So this decision by the world governing body of football, FIFA, to award the hosting of the 2034 World Cup tournament to Saudi Arabia, and as sure as night follows day, there are already some dissenting and opposing voices with all the usual self-righteous buzzwords calling on FIFA to insist on Saudi Arabia respecting human rights and women's rights and blah, blah, blah. But we all remember basically these same hypocritical voices, they barked like some hungry dogs before the 2022 World Cup that was hosted in the same part of the world geographically and culturally in Qatar. We heard how these countries are too small and they don't like this and they don't do that and blah, blah, blah. Thankfully, FIFA don't eat a people yard. And Qatar went on to host arguably the best World Cup tournament ever. We just hope and pray that this recent history will repeat itself in Saudi Arabia in 2034.